Are you safe at home? All you need is common sense and a few smart products. Here are 6 easy tips you can do right away. 1. Get a security sign. Burglars hate these things, and they work 24 hours. 2. Lock your windows and doors even when you're home. And put security stickers on them. 3. Know the folks on your street so you can all watch out for one another. Hey neighbors, we got this, right? And that brings us to tip 4. Lock your car and don't leave valuables in it. You never know which neighbors are car thieves. Trust no one. Tip 5. Be an adult. Keep your house tidy so it looks lived in, and cut back bushes that could be cover for burglars. Or have your small children do this step, because what else are they doing? Good job, sweetie. A little more off the top. 6. Hide or keep your phone, keys, and wallet near you at night. Hide other valuables too. Okay, now on to 6 smart products that will make you safer at home, with a price tag that won't make you feel like you've been robbed. A wired or wireless surveillance system with day-night cameras gives you peace of mind around the clock. Hey Google, show me the side yard. Add an alarm system with multiple sensors and a motion-activated siren, and your place is starting to feel as secure as Fort Knox. Maybe even more. Then, sensor lights that turn on when activity is detected are a good deterrent. Intruders will freeze like a deer in the headlights. Consider double insulated deadlocks on doors and windows. And security doors are also a solid investment. Quite literally. And a doorbell video intercom lets you screen guests, capture evidence, and deny entry to any unwanted neighbors. I mean, visitors. Choosing the right combination of products can sometimes be confusing. But we'll help you get started, easily and affordably. Swann, security made smarter.